How to fix Instagram not loading photos on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then just click update if you found it here. And now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings, go to apps, this one for Android phones, then click apps again and type here Instagram, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.